Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. And my name is Kalsi, and I'm into real estate from last 25 years. Husband of a caring woman and a father of a wonderful son. And my purpose is to serve rather than to sell. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. So before we begin, we will talk. Today's topic is Emerald Estate developed by L&T in Chandibali, Powai, Mumbai. तो आज हम लोग इसके बारे में बात करेंगे। कुछ मैं आपके साथ वीडियो शेयर करूंगा, कुछ पीपीटी शेयर करूंगा और साथ में हम लोग डिस्कस करते हुए जाएंगे। तो लेट्स बिगिन। So friend, this is how the elevation of the building is of Emerald Estate. And this is basically phase 1 and phase 2, which they have already developed. They are coming with phase 3 now. And since the new pictures are not come, so I'm sharing you. मैं आपके साथ ये पुराना पिक्चर्स आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन बिल्कुल आपको ऐसा ही जो आप इमेजेस आप देख रहे हैं, बिल्कुल आपको ऐसा ही इमेज, ऐसा ही, क्योंकि वही सोसाइटी है। उसमें करीबन टोटल 15 से 16 टावर्स है। और अभी जो टावर जो लॉन्च हो रहा है वो करीबन कुछ 12, 13, 14 से 3 टावर लॉन्च हो रहे हैं। और प्रोजेक्ट कुछ इस तरीका का होगा और इट इज़ इन चांदीवली इन मुंबई। और आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपसे पहले एक वीडियो शेयर करता हूँ। वो वीडियो पहले आप देख लीजिए, उसके बाद फिर हम लोग आगे डिस्कशन करते हैं। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सो जैसे आपने देखा वीडियो में, इट्स अ वेरी ग्लैमरस प्रोजेक्ट। और जैसा आप स्क्रीन पे भी देख रहे हो कि द प्रोजेक्ट रात के टाइम जैसा आप देखोगे, इट इज़ वेरी ग्लैमरस एंड जो प्रोजेक्ट का जो कंप्लीशन जो है वो बिल्कुल बिल्कुल फिनिशिंग पॉइंट जो है बिल्कुल आप देख सकते हैं कि फिनिशिंग काफ़ी अच्छा है। और उनका जो एलिवेशन ऑफ द बिल्डिंग आप देखोगे, जो पेंट आपका उनका वाइट कलर का जो पेंट दिया हुआ है, और रात में क्या जो ग्लैमरस आप जैसा आप टाउनशिप आप देखोगे, तो प्रोजेक्ट इज एब्सोल्युटली वेरी गुड. So we'll go further on the PPT. These are few points which I have written it down, so I'll just read it out to you, so it will be easier for you to understand. Now this is phase 3 pre-launch, which will be tower number 12, 13 and 14, and this is at Powai, Chandivali in Mumbai. Combinations are 1, 2, 3 bedroom residential flats. So there are total 18 story towers are there, 18 stories, and 3 level podium parking is there. So total habitual floor is 18 habitual floor, and possession of this tower will be somewhere around December 2024. So अगर हम लोग इकोसिस्टम की अगर बात करते हैं तो स्कूल जैसे बॉम्बे स्कॉटिश स्कूल और पोडार इंटरनेशनल, ये दो काफ़ी स्कूल वहाँ पर अच्छे हैं, और भी बहुत सारे स्कूल्स हैं वहाँ पर. मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल जैसे हीरानंदानी हॉस्पिटल है, 7 हिल हॉस्पिटल है, AM नायक निराली मेडिकल सेंटर्स है. तो दीज आर ऑल हॉस्पिटल्स एंड स्कूल्स and DMart and shopping malls, then RCT malls and Phoenix Market. These are all very close by. So ecosystem is very good for this project. Again, it's on the Eastern Express Highway, is hardly 10 minutes from there, and Andheri East is 10 minutes, Vikhroli is 15 minutes, BKC is 18 minutes, and Western Express Highway is 15 minutes. So from Chandivali, from Powai, you can say it is in center of Mumbai. So from there, everywhere, right from the airport to railway station to metro, the people who are traveling outside for job, and even for the housewives who want to get the house product, everything is close by, hardly 15 minutes distance from there. And again, Sakinaka metro station is metro line is 8 minutes. Then Asalfa metro station is 7 minutes, which is the metro station. Then there are upcoming around 6 lines are coming around, which will be crossing around Lokhandwala, Kanjurmarg, Powai, and everywhere. So Mumbai will be connected more than the rails through metro within another 2 years time, because all the lines are been developed, and another 2 years it will start. So from here to travel anywhere in Mumbai, it will be very easier to travel from here. Now, combination of the flats, if I discuss, there are 3 types of flats in this. There are 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats. So 1 BHK carpet would be somewhere around 360 to 390 carpet, and price range will start from 1.15 lakhs onward, 1 crore 15 lakhs onward. And 2 bedroom will be from 500 to 650 carpet, and price will be 1 crore 60 lakhs onwards. And again 3 BHK will be 980 carpet, could be more also, थोड़ा उससे ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, but minimum area 980 बताया हुआ है. So price range will start from 3 crore 20 lakhs onwards. Again, this is written phase 2, but now we are talking about phase 3 because this is the old pictures. This is the elevation of the building, how the building will look, and it's a very fantastic elevation, white and brown combination. Mostly they have used white paint. When inside the flat they have used all white, so combination with white and with green gardens and swimming pool, blue swimming pool. So combination is very good, and tower itself look very glamorous. You can make out that construction is done by L&T. Again, this is the night view of the complex. These are some of the amenities. So they have multi-purpose hall over here, they have gymnasium over here, squash court, swimming pool, and badminton court. Again, these are some of the amenities. These are jogging track over here. These are open chess ground. Then there's again a walking track over here, cycling track over here. Same track can be used for cycling also. Again, the same image, what image is shown larger or smaller image is shown below over here. Again, you see the elevation of the building, the color of the building. It's purely white, and it looks more glamorous. Again, this is kids play area, and the cycling for same place can be used for cycling also and for walking also. And some here you can see there are safety purpose, some safety purpose for fire safety station they have given over here. And again, the elevation of the building you can see over here. So this place can be used for football also, football players, for the teenagers, and the resting place. There are some chairs over here where senior citizenship can walk, and after walking and scrolling over here, they can relax over here. Then there is a play area over here, kids area over here to play. Again, this is a small, you can say it could be some sort of gymnasium or something like that for children basically. Now here you can see in center they have given this clock over here. So most of the L&T project I have seen, they make this clock tower over here. There should become some reason, उनका कुछ reason होगा ये tower बनाने का यहाँ पर, और center में ये watch दिया हुआ है, तो उनका कुछ reason होगा. So we have to find out that reason why exactly every complex they keep this tower in center. That this is a watch tower, but why exactly they keep this tower? But it looks very. I think so. Mostly in London, I have seen not exactly practically going in London, but I have seen in many of the complexes in YouTube where in London they have this type of towers in centers. Watch towers are there. And see the complex, see the lightning over here. This is evening time. Still the complex is looking very glamorous. Again, the elevation of the building, superb, very good. Here you will see the GPS image in center. This is Chandivali over here. When you go from, this is JBLR road. See, you can see this is JBLR is written over here. And when you walk through this side, this is Western Express Highway. And you come this side towards JBLR. There is this project is over here, Emerald Esley by L&T. And moment you cross over here, then there is a Hiranandani complex over here, and after that there is an Eastern Express Highway which goes to Thane and out of Mumbai. So this blue color is a Vihar Lake where part of the Mumbai gets drinking water from here. So the project is exactly in center, and all this place is ecosystem is absolutely very good, and all the places is connected with the metro line. Another 2 years zigzag and everywhere it will be connected with the metro lines. So one of the lines I'm already seeing which is already running this metro line, this is the blue color line which is going from Warsaw to Ghatkopar, Kanchur Marg. And there is another metro line coming over here which will be from LBS Marg. It will be going up to somewhere over here. And again, it has many metro lines connected, but closer to this project is this metro Asalfa metro station is closer to here. So hardly walking distance is from here, from the complex. Now, as far as L&T is concerned, so your investment is very safe. They give quality construction. Transparency is of course 100%, and you can assure about you have the assurance about the project, about the quality, about the timing, and everything. They make very good project. This is the layout of the plot. So as I told you, this is 1 building, 2 building, 3 building, 4 building, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now which buildings we are talking about? 12, 13 and 14, 12, 13, 14. तो वो बिल्डिंग जो आएगा वो यहाँ पर आएगा, proposed future development. यहाँ पर जो प्लॉट खाली है इनका यहाँ पर आएगा, जो टावर का नाम होगा 12, 13 और 14, 12, 13 and 14. तो क्योंकि प्लॉटिंग एरिया सबका एक ही है, तो एमिनिटी सबके लिए एक ही रहेगा. 2 सोसाइटी अलग अलग हो सकता है, इसका सोसाइटी अलग होगा, ये 2 बिल्डिंग का सोसाइटी अलग होगा, या शायद 2 या 3 में कर लेंगे डिवाइड, या 5 में डिवाइड कर लेंगे सब, क्योंकि इतना बड़े सोसाइटी को मेंटेन करना मुश्किल होता है, तो शायद वो डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. बट एमिनिटीज़ जो इंटरनल एमिनिटीज़ होगा, स्विमिंग पूल होगा, गार्डन्स होगा, और वॉकिंग ट्रैक, जैगिंग, क्लब हाउस, जिम्नाजियम, एवरीथिंग, ये सब जो है वो कॉमन रहेगा सारे कॉम्प्लेक्स के लिए. उसका रीज़न ये है क्योंकि सारा प्लॉटिंग एरिया एक है, प्लॉटिंग एरिया 1 है. बाय लॉ प्लॉटिंग जिसका 1 होता है बाय लॉ के हिसाब से, वो सारे कॉम्प्लेक्स वाले जितने भी यहाँ पर रहते हैं रेसिडेंट वाले, वो सारे क्लब हाउस और इनके इसके जो भी एमिनिटीज वगैरह है वो सारे यूज कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, ये तो मैंने आपको बता दिया। तो उनका बेसिक जो प्लान होगा हर एक टावर का, उनका पैटर्न है ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So they might come up with 7 flats in each wings. That is because this time they are making स्मॉलर यूनिट साइज फ्लैट, जहाँ पर 1 BH के छोटे साइज से, जो मैंने आपको जो साइज बताया 360 से शुरू होता है, और 2 BH के 500 से कारपेट से शुरू होता है, और 3 BH के 980 है। तो दे माइट कम अप विद एटलीस्ट 8 फ्लैट्स इन पर विंग। अगर 8 फ्लैट रहेगा तो डेफिनेटली लिफ्ट भी 3 रहेगा और 2 स्टेयरकेस रहेगा। तो ये इसको आप एज्यूम कर सकते हैं सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ प्लानिंग रहेगा उसका। Again, as far 3 BHK is concerned, so similar type of planning will be there. The moment you enter, there will be a kitchen over here, then there's a dining space, then here living room, 1 bedroom over here, there's a wardrobe space over here, and this is TV space. Again, there is 1 bedroom over here and wardrobe, and this is attached. There is again 1 bed over here, and there is a wardrobe, and this is again a TV space over here. A small unit or study room, study table, you can say, you can utilize for anything. So this is one attached bedroom over here, and this is commons. There are 3 washrooms are there and 3 bedrooms, and there is no wastage at all. Even in 997 there is no wastage in the flat. So carpet area, you will be getting full carpet and you won't feel like the flat is small. So let's see further. Again, this is plan of 2 BHK. If they are giving size, suppose 650 carpet, so this type of planning will be there. The moment you enter, there will be a kitchen, then the dining table, then living room, 1 bedroom over here, 1 bedroom over here. This is attached. Again, this is attached. So similar type of planning will be there for 2 BHK. This is again 3 BHK plan, which I told you earlier. Only thing, this entrance is difference. Earlier we had entrance from here. So again same kitchen, then dining space, living, and common washroom, and 1 bedroom over here, 1 bedroom over here, again attached, and 1 bedroom over here, and this is again attached over here. So suppose if the 3 BHK which they are coming with 980 carpet tentatively, so planning will be similar. And enter the flat, there is a kitchen, then in rectangle hall there will be dining space, and this will be a living room, and 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom. So 1 bedroom is attached, 2nd bedroom is 1 bedroom is attached, and 2nd bedroom, so they have 1 and 2 washrooms over here, so they don't have 3 washrooms. So they might come up with, we have to check that because in new planning what they are giving, because the size, if they want to increase the size of the flat, they might come up with only 2 washrooms. So where I can see here is 1 bedroom has no washroom, this bedroom is attached, and this is common. But here one plus point is there. Suppose they give 980, so 3 washroom will be there. Or in case if they come with 2 washroom and they want to make a bigger size of bedroom, then again this wall can be broken over here, and this can be used with this bedroom also, and this can be used as a common also. So there will be 2 doors, 1 door from here and 1 door from here. This way plan can be changed also. So this is again 2 bedroom. Here planning is different. Straight away we enter inside the hall. So dining space, living, kitchen, 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. This is attached and this is common. Again, this is the glamorous view of the township, how the tower looks. So that's all for today, friends. And please remember to like and subscribe, because when you like and subscribe, I love to get more these type of information channels to you, and more projects are launching in Mumbai and more major cities in India. So every day I'm making one video for you, and when you like and subscribe, my motivation gets increased, and definitely I like to speak more and to give complete knowledge about the project. So you don't have to travel all the way to the site and to know exactly what developer is giving. घर बैठे बैठे आप YouTube चैनल पे, मेरे चैनल पे आप सब्सक्राइब करोगे तो आपको घर बैठे बैठे आपको उस प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में सारा नॉलेज मिल जाएगा. प्लस आई हैव अ वेबसाइट ऑल्सो विच इज www.kalsiestate.com, which will be written in the description or in the of the YouTube channel. But वेबसाइट में जाकर तो आपको सिर्फ एक इमेजेस आपको देखने मिलेगा, आप प्रोजेक्ट को आप डिटेल्स आप पढ़ सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर यूट्यूब में आप उस प्रोजेक्ट के सारा लाइव आप देख सकते हो, एज दो यू आर विजिटिंग द साइट इटसेल्फ. सो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग द शो. थैंक यू वेरी मच, एंड आई विल बी बैक सून. थैंक यू. बाय.